Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amore Love and today I'm going to be showing you my black rice water routine. Now black rice is definitely one of my go-tos. I love to alternate between black rice and regular rice when I'm doing my rice water treatments. The only reason why is because black rice has so much more benefits. It literally has everything the white rice has except, times 10. Like it just is more beneficial, which I really appreciate. It actually stinks a lot less than the white rice and my hair is a lot easier to detangle. Even though both of them have detangling properties, when you ferment rice water, it still helps me detangle faster with the black rice than the white rice. But this is how I'm going to be making it. I'm just going to put a little bit of rice into a clean mason jar. Then I'm going to put a little bit of water in there. And then I'm going to let this sit for about 30 seconds, you guys. And then I'm going to swish it up, clean off the rice, and we're going to drain that out. Once I drain that out, I fill it back up with fresh water all the way up to the top, and then I put on the lid and I close it just so that it's closed enough, but not so that it's super tight. And this is because we are going to be fermenting this and we're going to sit it in the window for 24 to 48 hours. However, I actually like to let mine sit for a couple days. But the recommended time is 24 to 48 hours and you can just sit it out. And if you want to stop the fermenting process, you can sit it in the fridge. But I normally just sit mine in the windowsill for a couple days. I let it sit there and casually I will go and shake it up as I pass it. So now I have to show you how I actually use the black rice water in my hair. And this routine has really changed my hair for the better. Black rice and regular rice is the only things that I have been doing that have actually helped me retain my length besides getting haircuts. Okay, so the first thing I love to do is shampoo my hair completely clean. I love to be as thorough as possible when I'm shampooing my hair. Here you can see me rinsing my hair as thorough as possible. I'm rinsing my hair until everything is out. No product, no debris. Basically rinsing it as good as humanly possible. This way, when I do add the shampoo, it's going to suds up a lot faster because a lot of the debris has already been rinsed out with hot water and my hair is reverting back to curly. Once my hair reverts back to curly and the product is mostly rinsed all the way out, I go in with my Garnier Fructis Pure Clean shampoo. I love this stuff. It's super cheap. It's only a couple bucks even for the big bottle, and this stuff smells amazing and it gets your hair so freaking clean without stripping it, which I really appreciate because my hair is naturally just dry as hell. So I love shampoos that don't strip my hair and make it feel like a Brillo pad after. So I shampoo my hair in two sections, one on the left and one on the right. The reason is because I can get as thorough as I possibly can. I'm able to better manage my hair and keep the strands all in a line so that my hair is not getting too tangled. Just applying the shampoo all over my hair, vigorously working it through, but also keeping my hair tamed so that everything is still pretty much put together and not too roughed up from the shampoo. I then repeat the same thing to the other side. I'm just making sure I'm being as thorough as possible with the wash because you really want to make sure your hair is completely clean. I love to do the prayer hands method and pushing the shampoo all the way down my ends. So once I'm done scrubbing all of that, I actually put all my hair up in a little cone and I take some shower and I let the shampoo sit and then I rinse it out. Now, moving on to the black rice water. You see how dark the water got? It gets to this like maroony, dark plum purple color. I don't even know. It's interesting, but it stank, but it don't stank as bad as the other stuff. the white rice. So anyway, I transfer it from the mason jar to a spray bottle, and I focus it mainly on my roots first. I'm just getting all up and through there, making sure the black rice water is completely saturated in all of my hair strands from top to bottom, and especially your scalp and your ends. This is because your scalp needs to be healthy to produce long, strong, healthy hair, and your ends need to be retained because they have been through so much and they be trying to give up and cut out early, but we need those ends. So rice water is really going to help you retain what you do grow and help you have less breakage. So those are my two main focus points when I'm spraying it in initially, but just know that we want our hair completely saturated from root to tip. I even go as far as to putting it on my eyebrows and lashes sometimes, because why not? Why not? So once I'm done completely thoroughly saturating my hair with all of that rice water from the spray bottle, I pour the rest of the rice water in my hair. I just didn't show that for some reason, but I poured the rest of it in my hair, and now I'm going to go in with the Pure Clean conditioner that matches the shampoo, and we're not going to rinse out everything we just sprayed in our hair. We're going to put that conditioner right on top. This because that shit stank, y'all. It just do. So I'm putting the conditioner on top, and it also helps you with detangling. This is going to help you get the smoothest, straightest, most untangled hair possible when you apply the black rice water and some Pure Clean shampoo. Now taking my Tangle Teaser, I'm going to lightly run my hair under the water just to get it wet, and then starting from the ends, I'm detangling my hair, working my way up to the root. This is because once you sprayed that black rice water on and you put the conditioner on, you really need to detangle your hair just so that you're making sure that everything is completely saturated. I'm doing the prayer hands method just to make sure everything is completely through the brush, and then I'm going to take my hair as a whole and wrap it into 2 low twists, and any products that's spilling on my hands, I'm basically putting it back up towards my root just to make sure that all my hair is fully saturated. And we're going to clip that up and do the same exact thing to the other side. So running my hair underwater real quick, and then taking my brush from the ends and working my way up towards the top to detangle. This is working in the conditioner and it's working in the black rice water. This is just so that your hair is detangled and making sure that you aren't missing any strands with your deep conditioning black rice water treatment. And then, like I said, we just take it as a whole and we twist it into 2 low buns and wrap it up and put any remaining product coming off of my hands all the way up at the top just to make sure everything is fully saturated. And then I go ahead and clip that up. Now that my hair is completely saturated with rice water and conditioner, I'm actually going to let this sit for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take the rest of my shower. I'm going to shave. I'm going to wash my face, clean, all that jazz. Once we're done doing all that, I come back and rinse off the clips because we are going to be using those later. Then I'm going to run my hair under the water and take my Tangle Teaser brush, and I'm actually going to start in the back. I'm brushing out the conditioner as the water is rinsing it out of my hair. When I tell you, this is like the smoothest I can get my hair, the most detangled I can get my hair, the easiest way and fastest way possible. This has been the best thing I ever did in my entire life when it comes to my hair. I just brush it down smooth like this, and I put it back in those 2 buns, and I literally let my hair air dry like that, and it dries so stretched, and I don't even have to do that much when it comes time to blow dry my hair. It's honestly a lifesaver. If you don't take nothing else from this video, try black rice water and do this detangling method as you're rinsing out your conditioner, and I swear to God, you ain't never gonna go back to the old way you used to do it. I promise you. Easy peasy, super lazy girl friendly life hack. Just take away those 2 things. If you don't take away nothing from this video, I'm telling you, it's procrastinator friendly. Trust me, it's coming from me, y'all. So anyways, I'm repeating the same thing on the other side. I just run my hair into the water, I brush it as I'm rinsing it out, and then I take all that hair and flat twist it into 2 low buns. As you can see, I'm like squeezing that twist out as I'm twisting it in a bun, just so that we can get out as much excess water as humanly possible without having to use no towels. Like literally, you're gonna be able to go about your day and your hair is just gonna casually, just naturally dry like that. And then when it's time to blow dry your hair, like it's the easiest thing ever, y'all, I promise. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, please be sure to leave them down below in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed, please. Like, can we just subscribe at this point? Like, what more do I have to do? Subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.